So we were gonna post the Grange vlog, but literally got one lap in and that trans blew up. It wasn't all a fail though, I wanna say, because I got to drive Gabe's car. Randomly, Adam LZ showed up at the track and I was able to get a tandem in with him. Super random, but I'll insert the footage right here. I don't know if it's the best footage, but it's something. Anyways, we're gonna get back grinding on this car. So, round 5, let's go. I'm gonna skip all the boring stuff for you guys. I'll be back when the new trans is in, and it might be nighttime. Beto, can we do this in 1 hour?
In 1 hour?
2 hours. Let's give it 2 hours. We've done this 3 times in 3 days. I'm pretty sure we're good at it now.
You know my secret ingredients. I need my nas, I need my tacos.
Nas and tacos coming right up. So Nas and tacos done. A little break. It's your first time in this thing, huh?
Yeah.
So dirty. Been jamming. So we got our hour mark, right? The trans is out. This new trans going in, and Gabe took the Supra. Where do you go, dude? Oh, here he comes, coming down the street right now. How was it, Gabe?
Sick, bro.
Would you sell it?
I mean, it's hard, but you know, sometimes you gotta keep that dough going, man. Get them back.
Get
Had it
back.
once,
This thing
had it twice.
This thing is stupid clean though, huh?
Not stupid, but I mean, you know, it'd be cool to have a 98.
Yeah.
98 D160, twin turbo. Yeah. Nah, this thing is sick. I love Supras though. I love driving Supras.
I mean, if someone gave you $47,000 for it, you'd probably sell it too, right? Let me know. The best thing could have happened to me. So, this little setting pin that's in the block, I guess got stuck in the trans from the old motor, and I didn't realize it. I went ahead and tried to put this trans on, so this pin was hitting the other pin on the block. Now it's really stuck in there. So now I gotta go bring this thing over to Speed SoCal and have Beto try this thing out. So let's do it. Dude, this thing is by far the cleanest GTR. It has 24,000 kilometers. 24,000, that's insane.
Yo, he spent all.
Yeah, let's do it. So that's not gonna work. Alternative route, drill her from the back.
She's out.
Oh, there we go. So this is Beto's whip. It's an original Koki. What's this thing got in it?
Dude, this is one of a kind. Good old. Okay. Done by this fool.
Hey, it's clean though. So KAT soon. Thank you, Gary. I'll see you soon, buddy. Take care.
You guys have a good one.
Thanks, Beto. Always coming through. Thank you. It's Gabe's birthday today. We're gonna go celebrate with him. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. I like how I have all these cars and I choose to take the hoopty. Now this is Nelson's whip. I'm gonna bring it back to him and we're gonna go pick up the GTR. You like this car?
Yeah. Why do you like it?
It's cute. You like this car?
Yeah.
All right, let's get in. We're back again with another episode of Bobby Wayne's cooking channel.
That's a cool name. I'll run that.
Bobby Wayne? I guess that's what it is then.
Hold on, cut. Cut. I gotta redo this.
Dang, you made those? We forgot to just take the clip of you chopping up potatoes.
Put a potato on my hand, Jordan.
He totally is too. He's totally putting a potato in your hand. What are those? Dude, you gotta steer this thing. Dang, you're low. Dang, scraping?
What's that? Can I take his ass?
Oh, look at that.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Oh yeah, 5 years old.
Hey, Gabe. Jeez. Hello. Good morning. I'm gonna take the GTR for a drive. Gotta get gas. It's been months since I've driven this thing. It's like 10 in the morning at Gabe's house. I just woke up. Finally taking this thing home. Alright, first stop, gas. Super nice day out to drive the GTR. Don't mind how dirty it is. Probably needs to go into paint soon. There's a couple things I need to fix on this thing, but for the most part, it's really clean. Happy to be driving it today. You guys ready to ride in the GTR? Okay. All right, bro. First trip with the family. The GTR.
There's Gabe.